If your iPhone or iPad is running out of space and slowing down, don't panic. I'm gonna show you how to clean things up quickly and easily. First of all, open Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage or iPad storage. You will see a list of all your apps and how much space they're using. At the top, you might also see some recommendations from Apple like offloading unused apps or reviewing large attachments. Go ahead and tap on any of those that makes sense for you. Next, if you've got apps you don't use anymore, tap on them and tap on Delete App. It's a quick way to get rid of stuff you're not using. Next, let's clear out Safari's storage. And for that, head back to the main settings menu, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down, then tap on Safari. After that, search for Clear History and Website Data, and once you see it, tap on it. Then tap on Clear History and you're done. Next, photos and videos can take up a ton of space, so go into your Photos app and delete anything you don't need. Also remember to empty the recently deleted album. After that, go back to the apps menu and scroll up, then tap on Messages. Here, you can set messages to auto-delete after 30 days. Just search for Keep Messages and once you see it, tap on that. Then choose 30 days from the options. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.